guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are deep cleaning my truck, my car. We deep cleaning today. Yes, it's overdue. I don't even know the last time that I washed and vacuumed my car, or I think I got it done, but I think it's been a few months. And it don't look too bad, but it's just like real dusty in here, and there's like stuff all on the mats, so like debris on the mats. So we just gonna do that today. Record, y'all can see it. I already yesterday took it through the machine to get washed, and it looks pretty good. So that means all I'll have to do is just put some tire shine on it. So I'll do that, and then yeah, that'll be this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you can know the next time that I post. And see y'all at the car wash. Bye. All right, so they didn't have any wipes in that machine, so I have to go to the store, and then we're gonna come back here and then vacuum. So I gotta go to the store and get the little wipes that I use. I was trying to think what's close, but okay, let's go to the store. Be right back. All right, so I had to go to the store and get some wipes, because I'm supposed to be wiping the car down. How I'm wiping the car down with no wipes? So I went to the store and got some wipes. What I'm about to do now is get the mat, so spray them down, and they're gonna dry while I'm vacuuming and cleaning out the car. The light. So this is the current Bath and Body Works focus. This is the current Bath and Body Works fragrance I have. So we're gonna open that up and put it in. Well, Bath and Body Works now got it easier to open these, because I remember it used to be difficult. But I just got this plain one. In my other car I got like a butterfly and a bumblebee one, I think. No, a turtle and a bumblebee. But oh no, I fell in between those sweets. Oh God, help. Let me see. Oh, I got it. This one, I don't think this one's empty. How can y'all tell when these Bath and Body Works fragrance things are empty? Because this it's still moving. I don't want to waste it. I'm gonna put it back in here. I'm not gonna change it just yet because it's still moving. I think when it's like it's empty, it's like stiff or like dried out. But yeah, I got these. What's your favorite scent from Bath and Body Works? This one goes up in your visor. So I just got one. I don't have one on my driver's side because I don't like to have smells right up under my nose as I'm driving. Yeah, child. All right, so this is the little jelly stuff. Some places I couldn't reach, so I'll just put this here. The vacuum couldn't go, so this is good to have. I'm probably gonna get one more use out of this, and then I'm gonna have to throw it away. All right.